doing, Booty Doo? Watch out. Guys, watch out. Wake up. Watch out for Nook. I don't know what you people are doing. I really don't.
Doesn't matter if you know what you're doing or not, as long as it looks good.
Hasn't looks good. Hey, you almost kicked Hosmer in the face.
It's so adorable.
I can't even do this.
Don't do that. Keep doing more of that stuff.
Come on, Booty Doo, stop looking at the TV. I'm gonna try it. I got some wood in my house.
Watch out, guys.
Huh?
Watch out.